Alright, at this point we'll go over a menu. Menus are pretty easy when it comes down to it, but I've had a couple people get stuck on them, so I'll just kind of go over a menu. So a menu has to have pages. Alright, you have to have enough pages in order to make up a menu. Another thing is, when you go into your pages, like here, manage pages, they have to be in this format where, let's say you have subpages. So off my credentials page, I have resume page, and you can move these around. So I can like take this and make it not a subpage anymore, just like that, or I can make it a subpage, just like that. I move it around. That's an area where you can do that. There's another area, if this doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't work on certain computers. It's weird. But if it doesn't work, you just go add, menu, and then add a menu. And you can place it anywhere you want just right now because you just need this button. So if you hit the add manage menu button, it pops up a little one on some computers, and what you can do is drag it right on top of this. So if you wanted resume page, you have to drag it completely on top of the credential page. Again, that doesn't pop up on my computers because this one works, but on some computers this manage menu button brings up something similar that looks like this, and in there you can click and drag them on top of each other. Alright, sweet. So once you get this hierarchy and move things around to look like this, because the class I'm teaching has the same hierarchy that this one does, and it's provided in the assignment, but after you get that, you can now have a menu. And this menu should go up here. Here, I will delete this one and add this menu that I just added, and you saw that I didn't do anything to it. But since this is already set up with that hierarchy, this one will work. Now if I hit preview, you can get this. Okay? But when you go to click on the link, it should fail because you got to publish it. So you hit publish. Done. And then I go back to publish. I copy this URL. Right click, copy it. I can then paste it into a new browser. And now these links will work correctly. Now, again, on some computers, after you hit the publish button, they work also here. So if they don't work automatically, you can just copy paste it into a browser and it will work. Again, I don't know why the difference between the computers, but there's both ways. One, you could just hit publish and preview it. The other one, if you have struggles with that, copy paste it into a new browser. So a good menu will take you everywhere you need to go from any page. If I go to business cards, I should be able to get the contact page. If I get the contact page, I'm on it, I should be able to get the customer quote example. If I'm here, I should be able to get home. You can see that I can get just about anywhere I need to be just from the menu alone. Having links, let's say I had a restaurant page, and then I had a home button down here, I would have to go to this page to get home. And that is a broken loop. You don't want to do that. You want a hierarchy that can get from everywhere to anywhere. What menu you choose is up to you. It doesn't really matter what menu you choose. I personally find this one a little ugly, but in here we got add menu. And then you can just click and drag any of these out. Alright, so that's how you add a menu. There's a couple different ways to approach it. Enjoy.